Hey YouTube, Lord Alex here, and today we're going to be talking about this Craigslist find I came across. I made out like a bandit. As you see in front of you, there's quite a stack of 357 SIG ammo, which if you shoot this stuff, you know it's not cheap. I mean, there are more expensive ammos out there, but it's not cheap. I just went on the Cheaper Than Dirt website to price some of this stuff out, and I'm going to give you an idea of how good a deal you can find when you look, and just keep looking and be patient. Okay, start out 357 SIG, 125 grain Lawman. Those sell for $31.50 a box. 50. Got two of those. And you got the gold dot. Everybody knows these. These are in an older box, but still the same stuff. Those sell for $20 a box. Now granted, there are probably some places you can find it cheaper, but Cheaper Than Dirt is usually pretty good on their ammo prices, and there's definitely places you can spend a lot more than this. So, sell your in below. Got 9 boxes at $21 a box. Alright, just that right there. $63 for these 2 boxes here. $80 for these 2 boxes here. $147 for these 9 boxes here. Without tax. Without shipping. And then there's 500 rounds of 380 auto, 380 ACP, or 9mm Browning Court. Sorry about that. Those go for $14 a box. So that's $140 worth of ammo right here. And then got some 22 subsonic. Look these guys up. I've never heard of them before. Those go for about $8 a box of 50. So that's $72 right there. In those 9 boxes. And then, of course, we all know about the CCI subsonic, and a guy just threw in a random box of 22 mag. I don't have a 22 mag, so I'm going to just set this aside. Anyway, all this ammo right here I picked up from Craigslist. And the guy had put an ad up saying, I've got all this ammo. I don't own the guns that go to them anymore. $5 a box. I said, well, wow, that's a good deal, you know, because I know these about $20 a box. I thought these were about $20 a box. They're about $30 a box. You know, I wasn't too sure about these, but I know that 357 SIG ammo is not cheap. So, you count it all up, just the 357 ammo, got 530 rounds. That would have been, let me see, how many boxes is that total? 13 boxes. And another 10 of 380. That's 23 boxes at $5 each. That would have been $115. And then another 10 boxes here That would have been another $50. So had I paid him $5 a box, I still would have walked away with the steal at about $165 for all this. But he was ready to get rid of it all, and I got a really good deal. All this ammo from the store would cost $508 without tax. I paid him $80. Yep, $80 for what is effectively over 1,000 rounds of pistol ammo, and just threw in the 22 stuff for free. Over 1,000 rounds of pistol ammo. This is how you stock up, guys. I mean, just in a store, there's my $80. So I paid $80 just for that, and got all this for free. All this. So keep your eyes open. Deals do come up. When they come up, you gotta jump on them. If you don't jump on them right away, they'll be gone because somebody else is gonna recognize what a good deal this is. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep your eyes open. Keep stockpiling some ammo. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and all that other stuff. And I'll see you guys later.